Hi guys. Okay, I think I've got this all figured out, so kind of exciting. So here is my Wix page that I did. And hopefully you guys have done this already as well. If not, this gives you an idea of what mine looks like. You guys can do your own, of course, but this is what mine is. So now what we're wanting to do is learn how to get this put here and how to get it sent so you get their emails sent to your email, okay? So we're going to use MailChimp for that. So when you open up MailChimp, it'll take you to here, which is going to show that you have no subscribers because we haven't done anything yet, but this is where it's going to show hundreds of subscribers or bounces and all that stuff. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go to lists. So this is the one I created today, but I'm going to create a new one with you guys so you can learn how to do it. So you click on Create List. Now you have to have a list name. So I said from Mickey's desk. I'm just going to say Mickey's desk for this one. But you can say whatever you want. People will see this. So you don't want to say, this is list generator or something like that. Just have something that you don't care if people see it. So Mickey's desk, your default email address. So I'm going to say mickey@mickey.com. Default name, I'm going to say Mickey Bixby. Short, something to remind people of how you got their email, because I'm sure you guys get it. You get emails and you're like, where is this one coming from? So this is just kind of a polite way of letting people know how they found it or how they got this email, your email. So I'm just going to say, you signed up for more information from my Facebook ad or website, mickeyBixby.com. Okay, and then you have to have this contact information on the bottom. It makes it legal, otherwise you are going to be possibly charged with spamming, and there's actually quite a hefty fine for that. It's not good. Okay, so then your notifications, this tells you if you want an email every single time somebody signs into your account, or if you just want it daily or whatever. I just want it daily because I'm hoping I'm going to get like 300 people, and when you see my email later on, you're going to understand I really don't need 300 more emails a day. So, but you guys have that choice. You can click one by one if you want it one by one. This is if they're going to unsubscribe, if you want to be notified one by one when they unsubscribe. So, save. Then we're going to go to settings. And just make sure it's all good. So Mickey Bixby, the default email address, and then they're going to send me end of a day summary. So yep, that looks good, right? Okay, so then we're going to go to Signup Forms. And we're going to start with just the general forms. This is when we're going to create it. So here is the sign-up form. So this is what you're going to have on your lead capture page. Well, it's not going to look like this exactly, but because we're going to fix it up and stuff. But anyways, so first off, you want to have their email address. You want their first name. I don't want their last name. So I'm going to delete that. Oops. So type in delete and delete. And then I want it to have their first name first and then the email address last. Okay. So, and then I don't want it to say subscribe to list. So I'm going to go to translate and I'm going to say send free report and save. Okay, kind of I'm going through all of this really fast, but you guys can pause and do it yourself and then come back and unpause and learn a little bit more. It's probably the easiest way of doing it. Okay, so we did that. Now I want to design it because I really don't want it to look really ugly. So first off, I really don't like this gray. It's like a cloudy gray day for me and it's just yucky. I would rather it just to be white, so I'm going to just make it, oops, just going to make it white. But you can pick whatever color you want just by clicking on it, so it'll go to whatever color. But I just want white. So I know the white code is just 6 Fs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there, that's what I want. Then I want to use an image. Now, you guys, I told you about canva.com. Such a fun site, and that's where I created this one. So this is the one I'm going to use. So I picked email headers in Canva and took a template from there, changed the colors, added my picture, changed what it said. I mean, it was so easy to do, and that's what I did. And I tried to pick the colors that I use on my website. My website is typically black and blue and pink. So I picked those colors. Now, if you want to have it where if somebody clicks on this, it'll go to a web page, your web page or whatever. You can do that, but I'm not going to do that. So save. So now this is what it looks like. Now I really don't want this gray button. I want it to be blue. So I'm going to go here, go buttons, and there it is. So I want to change it to the same blue color as this. So I'm just going to try to make it match. Kind of close. There, that's a bit better, I think. Maybe not. So kind of close enough, I think. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. And there's what it looks like. And then I think field text. Oh wait, I did that right. Oh, text color is white there. I think I want to make that black. So it's going to go down to there. Try to get it as dark as I can. Whatever. So I think that looks better. Yes. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do with this one. I'm quite happy with that. Here. Okay. So that was the sign up form. Now, if you go to this drop-down menu here, you'll see you have to go through all of these. So sign up form with alerts. So if you look at that, that's if somebody tries to sign up or click send free report and then they don't put their name or something, this is what they're going to get. So they'd have to fix that, and that's fine for me. I don't think I need to change that at all. Go back up, click on the drop-down menu, although it drops up for some reason. This is the sign up thank you page. So after they click sign up, it's going to do this. Almost finished. We need to confirm your email address. Please complete the subscription process. Please click on the link. So I don't want to say complete the subscription process because I don't really want to have a subscription. I just want to have like a one-time deal. These guys are going to get a report from me. I don't want to be sending them stuff all the time. So I'm just going to say, please click the link in the email we just sent you. Save and close. And then the opt-in confirmation email. So once they click on that, they're going to get an email, and it is going to look like this. Please confirm subscription. I don't know what these red boxes are, but whatever. I don't want it to say please confirm subscription, so I'm going to say please confirm request. Save and close. And what else is there? This I don't know how to change. So I think we're just stuck with it as it is. So nope. Yeah. So it's just gonna have to be as is. Maybe you can figure out how to do it. I couldn't. Okay, and then this opt-in reCAPTCHA form. Now this is a stupid thing, and I know there's a way to delete it. I just haven't figured it out here yet. So what it is it says confirm humanity, and then you have to pick 3 pictures that look like a river or something and say click. I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's just, to me, it's another step that I really don't want them to have to do. And there is a way of not having that, but I don't remember how. So, okay, so let's just change this. Before we send you your free report, we need to confirm that you're human. Okay, so that's that. And then confirmation thank you page. So then they're going to get this saying that your subscription is confirmed. So we're not, again, don't want to use the word subscription. So I'm going to say request confirmed. Save and close. Yeah. And then again, actually, you know what? I'm going to change this. I'm going to say thank you here. Save and close. And then I'm going to say down here, your report, your free report is on its way. And then not that. And actually, I'm going to sign it, Mickey. Save and close. And I wonder what this. No, that's not going to do anything. Still trying to figure out how to get rid of that reCAPTCHA page. Sorry. Okay, and then your final welcome email, which I didn't check it, the box here, because I don't want to send another one. I think I mean, how many emails do they need? It's kind of ridiculous, so I'm not even going to bother with that. Okay, so you're done with MailChimp now. Almost, actually. We're going to do this. Go back to Signup Forms. And we're going to check embedded forms this time. And again, so this is what's going to be on our website. We have to change it a little bit, right? So, yes, send me a free report. And then again, I don't want that subscribe button, but I don't know how to change that on this one because the embedded one doesn't quite do what the other one does. And I'm not really quite sure how to use the other one yet, so this is the only one we know how to use. So down, if you scroll down into the coding, it says value subscribe. We're going to delete the subscribe and say send free report. Okay. And then once you're done with that, you're going to highlight all of it and copy it. And then you're going to go into your website editor. Okay, so this is the box that I had done. I'm going to delete it and redo it with you guys here. Okay, so this is where I would want to put the box. So I'm going to come over here, say add. And we're going to go down to more. Oh, it's right there actually. HTML code, which is right here. Edit code. And then we're going to paste that code into here and update. So then just drag it where we want it. And then make it as big as you can there. So there you go. And you're done. Now, I'm going to publish it. And then you're going to go over to this button up here, pick your page, which you guys will probably only have the one page. And there's 3 dots. If you highlight that one, there's 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. Go to page SEO. And then it will show you your page URL. So click, oh, underneath it says go to URL. Go there. And here is your page. Looks amazing. One more thing I'm going to show you before we test it out is I go to Google URL Shortener. And then you can put in your, oh, that's the wrong one. I just copied the whole code in here. This is fun. Delete. Sorry, guys. Okay, so delete that. Go back. Highlight this, copy it. Then go to this Google URL Shortener. You can Google that, and then it takes you to this Google URL Shortener because, well, especially for you guys, yours is going to say wix.com in your address, and it's kind of long and cumbersome, and so if you just shorten it, see, there's your short code now. It's kind of cool. So this is the one, this is my previous one, this is the one. Click on it, and it'll take you, again, to the same page, but you can, it's just a shorter URL that you can share. And again, you just go to the that same page and it'll show you that address. Okay, so there's that. Now let us test this out. So I'm going to say, oops, Nikki, and email address is mbixby@live.com. And I'm going to say send free report. Okay, so here's the code that comes up, or the message. Almost finished. We need to confirm your email address to complete the subscription process. Please click on the link in the email we just sent you. Now, I know we changed it on the other website, but because this is the embedded form, I don't know how to fix that. So this is just what it's going to say. So let's go to our email and see. Okay. So it says Mickey's Desk, please confirm subscription. So unfortunately, that's what it says. And then this is please confirm request. So I'm going to say, yes, I want this information. And then I have to confirm that I'm a human. That's important. Oh, it didn't make me look at pictures this time. Nice. And then send free report. And then your free report is on its way, Mickey. Okay, so that's cool. Because I do not have a free report ready yet, that's really a lie, but just so you see that it works. Now, if we go back to MailChimp and go to the front, and go to reports. I think it's reports. No. Sorry. I don't think it's reports. Go to lists. Okay. So it says 0 subscribers, but it will show like down below when I tested it before. It shows 1 subscriber, which was me. Yay. This one just has to be updated for some reason. Let's try refreshing and see if it'll update it. No, it won't update it yet. But anyways, it will come through. So that's that. Now, next we will try to figure out, once we figure out our free report or whatever it is that we're wanting to give away for free to get their capture, then we'll figure out how to do that, and we will be doing that through the campaigns tab. But for now, we'll leave it at that. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. So hope that helped. Talk to y'all later. Bye.